Hello Red Devils, MUFC Legend here and I'm back again with another video. So Manchester United are working on a right back transfer, so let's get straight into it. So Duncan Castles, who often does get things about Manchester United right around 80% of the time, so he has said that Manchester United are working on a deal to bring Portugal under-21 international DIOGO Dalot to Old Trafford as part of their closed season defensive rebuild. So Man United are understood to be ready to pay FC Porto 20 million euros for the teenage fullback. He was open to the idea of progressing his career under Mourinho. So United have already proposed personal terms to the 19-year-old, who they envisioned using as an understudy and deputy to Valencia at right back. I'm not really sure if Valencia will be first choice right back next season. Hopefully we do sign or give at least Timothy Fosu-Mensah a chance at right back. But Dalot, he's a Portuguese under-21 international. He's made a couple of caps for them. I think it's 4 appearances for the Portuguese under-21 team. And he is apparently a Portuguese wonder kid. So it's great to see Man United investing, not for now, but also for the future. And I'm not really sure. I'm not really seeing him play. But, there are reports saying that he is a quality player. He has the potential to be a good player. So hopefully, under Mourinho's guidance, he can excel. And he's obviously got the Portuguese link-up as well with Mourinho. So it should be interesting to see how this transfer develops. But stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss a single video. It's been MUFC Legend. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.